Subscribe to LeeAnne. Yeah.
Subscribe.
Hi, come here. I have a question.
Questions.
Whose birthday is it? It's Sophia's birthday, but actually it's her mom's birthday. It's her mom's birthday. Hey, wait, I have a question. I have a question. Come on. I have a question. Do you know how to speak Thai now? A little bit. Can you give us a sample? How do you say delicious in Thai? Aloy. Okay, one more. How do you say beautiful in Thai? Suai. How do you say I love you in Thai? I love you in Thai. She doesn't know. Okay, Ate. How do you say I love you in Thai? If you say it, Chan rak kun. Ah, okay. How do you say happy birthday in Thai? How do you say
Happy birthday,
happy birthday? You say subscribe. You say subscribe.
Hindi ako makita.
Stop doing that.
Hi everyone, this is Alexa. Alexa, how old are you?
5 years old.
Yay! What is your favorite color?
Pink and blue.
Pink and blue. How long have you been here in Thailand? 1 year? Yes? No, she's been here for almost a year now, and she knows how to speak Thai already, right? I heard that you know how to speak Thai?
Yes, a little.
A little bit. How did you learn Thai? In school?
Yes.
Yes. Your friends teach you how to speak Thai?
No.
You just listen to them?
Yes.
Oh really? Oh, you're very smart, because I'm here for already almost no, more than 6 years, but I couldn't speak Thai. Yes. You ask your dad if your dad knows how to speak Thai.
My daddy knows Thai now.
He knows how to speak Thai?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so Alexa, I have a question. Do you think you're pretty? Yes. Yes. Do you have a boyfriend?
No,
No, why not?
because I'm still small.
You're still small? Why? What is your favorite fruit?
Apple, watermelon, and
Thinking. You don't know? Durian.
no.
You don't like durian?
Yes.
Why not? What happened to your teeth?
Because I eat candy.
That's right. How many sisters you have?
Sisters.
Yeah, how many sisters you have? Do you have sisters? Do you have a brother?
No.
No? Do you have a sister?
Yes. My
How?
sister is only one.
No, you have 2 other sisters. Abeya and who's the ate?
Ate Isay.
Ate Isay. More questions for Miss Alexa. Alexa, what do you want when you grow up? Louder, please.
I want
To be a what?
to be a teacher.
What's your favorite YouTuber?
Yeah.
Yeah! Very good! Good answer! Who is your favorite tita?
Yeah.
Who is your favorite kuya?
Where's Max Max?
Where's Max Max? How about Kuya Lord Lord? Yeah. Look at Kuya Lord Lord. It's not Kuya Lord. It's Kuya Smack.
Show them.
Two of them. Who is your favorite sister? Abia or Ate Isay?
Bisaya.
Ate Isay? Why Ate Isay?
Always he share with me his
Her things, her toys.
Yeah.
How about Abia?
He don't share with me.
She doesn't share with you?
Yes.
Oh no. Who do you like most? Mom or dad?
Mom and Dad.
Only one. Pick only one. Choose only one. Who do you like most?
Only two. Please.
One. Only one.
Two.
Why not mom or dad? You want mom and dad? Both of them?
Yes.
Okay. Well, okay. What do you want? Chocolate or candy?
I don't like that one.
You don't like it?
I
Okay,
like
what-
cake.
Okay. Ice cream or cake?
Ice cream.
I thought you like cake. Okay, what else? Juice or Coke?
Juice.
Apple or watermelon?
Watermelon.
Okay. They're calling me. Bye-bye first. Happy birthday! Yes! Whose birthday? Abia! Anong meron, Ning?
Walang meron. Walang rice.
Wala kaming rice. May gata ba?
Wala na. Nag-ano pa sila, nagluto pa, nagsaing pa sila. So you have to wait 10 to 15 minutes pa.
Lagay dito.
Okay, makinig ka.
Lagyan mo na. Ano to? Potato?
No, apple.
Apple? Potato yan.
We have apple and cashew.
Cashew. Lagyan mo na bell pepper. Ala! Ayan. Kamatis pa?
Yes.
Itong konti na lang. Kunti lang kasi ayoko yun.
Lagyan mo ng ano? Yan.
This is how you eat it. This is how you eat it.
Nakuwag na na.
Ako doon yan.
Maamot to. Aroy, Mak. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
See you
Tomorrow.
tomorrow.